How to record Loom video with face and screen. Alright guys, this is a really simple process. All you need to do is just sign into your account. Make sure your account is signed in, as that's the only way you can access Loom. And then the next step you're going to be taking is simply clicking on record a video. But before that, make sure you give access to Loom for your microphone and your camera. Once those access are given, just click on record a video. Now, once you've clicked on the record a video option, go ahead and simply turn on the options to use your camera and your microphone. So simply turn this on, and then for the camera, go ahead and turn it on as well. You can now simply click on the camera toggle here, and you can easily select what camera you'd like to use for your recording. It could be the integrated camera or an external camera you have plugged in, or you could simply use a different mic or a headset or whatever other option is available. And then once you're done, go ahead and take note of what is showcased here. You could have your mini picture larger or smaller depending on your use case, and then simply click on start recording, and that's it. All right guys,